Hey everyone, this is Robert Dennis. I'm the USA Sales Manager for Smacircle, and this is our S1 foldable e-bike. As you can see, it's highly portable, and it unfolds in a matter of seconds. Five easy steps.
Here, got it.
There it is. I'm pulling the wire off my. There we go. And just like that, it's ready to ride.
What's the use for this vehicle?
So this is a first and last mile commute solution. The person that needs public transportation, they can take this from their home to the bus stop or the train station, and then that last mile or two after the train or the bus to their office.
And where can people find the machine?
We're available on Amazon and at smallcircle.com, and our dealer network in the United States is growing as we speak.